Marketing data refers to the information collected and analyzed to understand consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. It is crucial for businesses as it provides valuable insights that drive strategic decision-making. By utilizing marketing data, businesses can identify target audiences, track campaign performance, and measure ROI. This data enables businesses to personalize marketing efforts, optimize strategies, and ultimately enhance customer engagement and satisfaction. In today's competitive landscape, making data-driven decisions is essential for staying ahead of the curve and achieving business objectives. Marketing data encompasses various types, including demographic, behavioral, and psychographic data. Demographic data focuses on factors like age, gender, and income, providing insights into who the target audience is. Behavioral data tracks consumer actions and interactions with products or services, helping understand purchasing patterns and preferences. Psychographic data delves into values, attitudes, and lifestyle choices, offering a deeper understanding of consumer motivations. Each type of data plays a vital role in decoding consumer behavior and tailoring marketing strategies to effectively resonate with the target audience. Key marketing data metrics such as CTR, click-through rate, CPC, cost per click, and ROI, return on investment, are essential in evaluating the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. CTR measures the percentage of clicks on a specific link or ad, indicating user engagement. CPC calculates the cost incurred for each click on an advertisement, helping in budget optimization. ROI quantifies the profitability of marketing efforts by comparing the gains from the campaign to the costs. These metrics are crucial in gauging campaign performance, identifying areas for improvement, and maximizing the impact of marketing investments. Popular marketing data tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and HubSpot offer robust features for businesses to analyze and optimize their marketing strategies. Google Analytics provides comprehensive website data and user behavior insights, helping businesses track performance and audience engagement. SEMrush offers competitive analysis, keyword research, and SEO optimization tools to enhance online visibility and rankings. HubSpot integrates CRM, marketing, and sales tools for personalized marketing campaigns and lead nurturing. Leveraging these tools empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, enhance campaign effectiveness, and achieve marketing goals efficiently. Utilizing marketing data comes with both challenges and opportunities for businesses. Common challenges include data privacy concerns and data integration issues, which can hinder effective data utilization and analysis. However, marketing data also presents opportunities for businesses to enhance personalization and implement targeted marketing strategies. By leveraging data-driven insights, businesses can tailor their campaigns to individual preferences, boost customer engagement, and drive conversions. It is crucial for companies to address challenges proactively and capitalize on the vast opportunities that marketing data offers to stay competitive in the market.